Hey guys, Snake here, and I know from the last couple videos you guys have been hearing me talk about this light for a while because it went out and it was not working anymore at all, and I thought maybe the whole fan was bad, but I finally decided to take it apart and see what was going on. So let me just give you a quick idea of what I did. Let me go ahead and turn this fan off real quick though, just in case. Alright, so there's really only 3 screws, right, that hold this up. And only one of them needs to be taken out completely. If I can find out where the other screws is. Okay. So basically it was like this, and there's a cap that goes here as well. So all I did was take out the one screw, loosen the other 2, and this drops out, and these 2 are connected to each other. Disconnect those, and you have your basically your light kit right here. I opened the cap, which sits on this like so, and it's just basically 3 screws that go around it. And then I thought maybe there might be some diodes or something in here, but there's not. It's very simple. Come to find out, there was a fuse in here. So I opened this up, checked the fuse, and the fuse was blown. So I looked on Amazon, was able to find the ones that I needed, which are over here. You probably won't be able to see it, but this was the fuse that's blown. You won't see that it's blown, but it is blown. And it took me a minute to get the right fuses because I kept looking for, this fuse is a 1.25 amp and 125 volt. But all I kept seeing was 250 volt. So I had to do some research, and you're actually able to use the 250 volt as long as the amps are the same. So you can't go above the amperage rate, but you can go over the voltage rate. So finally found these. These are 1.25 amps at 250 volts. So we're going to see if this does the trick. I found these on Amazon, and I believe they were $5.99 for 5 of them. So a little bit over $1 a piece. All right. It's a little dark, obviously.
I fixed it. I moved.
All right. So the fuse, a new fuse is now in. Go ahead and get this cap back on. Let me get the screwdriver behind you there for a moment. Got it.
Oh, water in my ears.
So let's hope this does the trick. And here I was always thinking of the worst, thinking, oh man, I need a new fan. And then I was like, wait a second. I fix things. Oops.
He's just not very good with screws.
So I said, well, let me take it apart and see what I can do. And I was very surprised, as I mentioned earlier, to find a fuse in there. So now I know.
Oh, please let this work so I don't have to listen to you whine anymore about your light.
All right.
What do you want me to hold for you?
Here, hold this screw right there.
Okay.
So I don't swallow it.
That would be bad.
All right.
Very
So
bad.
these aren't color coordinate coded, so just make sure that you're hooking it up correctly.
It's like every 30 seconds the screen shuts off.
Yep. All right. That was the problem I was having. I don't know why it does that. Well, it does it to save battery life, but.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before you screw it all back up there, you're gonna make sure that the lights work.
Yep. As long as I can get these guys in a way that goes back up here. Here we go. Where's the other one? There you are. Yeah, they're kind of in the way. And they don't tuck in there, so they tuck right in here. It's kind of a pain in the butt.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, they're still in the way, but okay, got it. That's good. Where's that screw? Just get this started.
There's like, is that gap supposed to be that big?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Yep. Okay. So we're gonna hook these light bulbs up.
And it takes special light bulbs too.
Yeah, I forget what these are called. I've looked them up a few times, but they have the prongs there. I forget what they're called. Oh, G24s, I believe is what they're called. Yep, G24s. So, okay.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth.
And there was light. Yay!
There you
Such an easy fix.
Simple fuse replacement. Cost me $6, but I actually have extra fuses. And now we have
Light.
light. And my ceiling fan no longer needs to be replaced.
And now you can repair it 4 more times.
Yep, and now I can repair it 4 more times as long as it's the same issue. So, anyway, all right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Until next time.